So, I'm here on the side of the road, and I guess when it rains here, the water pours down these channels and drops into here and runs down the mountain. So I'm thinking I should go check out what's down there. Let's go check it out. I just hope there's no snakes in here. That's the only thing I'm afraid of. So this is pretty neat. Alright. Oh shit, what was that? Holy crap, what is this hole? Something has to live in there. Alright, I'm going through. As long as there's no crazy spiders or snakes, I'm good. This is fucking awesome. This is like a cool little hideout. I don't want to go all the way in there, but at least I checked it out.